this is GunplaUK. I hope you are well. It's been quite a long time since I've uploaded something, so I thought I'd just make up a quick video just to let you know what's going on and what's coming in the future. So first up, why I've not been around. It's basically because I've had a lot of commission work on the go, plus I've kind of just been taking it easy with Gunpla modelling and giving myself a break. I don't know, I guess I kind of burnt out a bit on especially on uploading videos and sharing what I'm doing, social media in general. So I decided just to really take it easy and work on the full armour Gundam, which took ages. It's the longest I've ever spent, I think, on a master grade. And I finished it, and I'll show you it here. And I wasn't too pleased with how it came out. The kit itself, as much as I hate to say this, it is a grenade. If I so much as breathe near it, it will explode into a million pieces. But I finished painting it. It's now on the shelf. That project is now done, so over and done with. Cocked up a few of the decals, and I wasn't entirely pleased with how the paint job turned out. It was a little bit over thinned in places, but you constantly learn as you go along, so that's that. I did manage to snap together this high grade aerial. I've still got to do some panel lining on that, but what a fantastic kit. Really lovely. It's so nice to do something with new engineering in a high grade line. Although I don't normally do high grades, this one was a real pleasure to do. So next I have a Maddox 1 Good Smile Moderoid kit. It'll be the first time I'm doing a Moderoid kit, so it'll be interesting. This will be a full paint job. I love its design. It's got a real kind of late 80s, early 90s mech aesthetic. So yeah, so that's about it from me for now. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your continued support. And do check me out on TikTok if you have a moment. I'll leave a link in the description below. You all have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye bye.